Hello, it's Sunny. I'm getting ready to pack for a holiday cruise that will be 3 weeks all the way around South America and on Christmas Day in Antarctica. So it's crazy. So I'll be packing for cold weather because Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world, and warm weather because we're going to be in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Santiago, Chile, and other places in both of those countries, which are in the 80s. So this is a crazy time for packing. Join me. First of all, I wanted to show you what I've been doing with a lot of my Ralph Lauren clothes because a lot of them are excellent for winter. Have a look. So you can see the vests and the turtlenecks, the Ralph Lauren jeans. This is also more casual, which can go with just regular jeans. And this will look good with this shirt underneath this white turtleneck. Will also go good with this vest, which is really neat and Nordic for the cold weather around the Antarctica. And this is a little more dressy since this will be a holiday cruise. Of course, I want to be dressed nicely for all of the evening dinners, but especially for the really special ones, and I'll show you more about that. And then since I'm going with black and white and red so that I can mix and match clothes, I also have my black Calvin Klein sweater. This zips all the way down, so it can also be like a cardigan, or you can put something underneath it to show through, along with my animal print skirt, which is really cute fringe one. And so you can see the theme I'm going with my Ralph Lauren, mostly Ralph Lauren clothes, also Calvin Klein, and how I'm going to mix and match everything with black jeans and regular jeans, except for this one, which is more dressy, and that will be with the window pane pants. So that's where I'm getting started. Also, what I did today is I exchanged all of my summer clothes and spring clothes for my winter clothes. I'm here in Georgia. It does get cold, but not super, super cold. But I do have winter clothes that I wear when it's, down in the 30s and 40s. So I went through all these bins. Now they're all full of mostly spring and summer. However, because I'm also getting ready to be in the 80s in Argentina and in Chile, I had to keep out some of my Caribbean clothes that I usually do for Caribbean cruises, and because I have a place on St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands, I'm also, you'll see, and I'll do a better job on all that. I had to keep out a bunch of my summer things because I'm also going to be in warm weather on this cruise. So it's really exciting. I've never been on a holiday cruise, and I can't wait to see how the ship is decorated. Pack with me. I'll show you what's coming in the mail. I have 3 shipments coming from Amazon and also ThredUp, and I'll show them all to you. See you then.